A band can be a business, if you want it to be. You're making money with performances, merch, and everybody's favorite day of the month, Bandcamp Friday. But is that all? If you've got your music up and streaming on these online platforms, you can be missing out on royalties. We're gonna break down what royalties are and how you can get in on the game. What's up, YouTube? I'm Shug Daniels with Gable Music Ventures, here to bring you some music industry tips and tricks. If you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell so you are alerted anytime we drop some new info for you. Today we're chit-chatting about music royalty basics. There are 6 different types of royalties, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to give you some very basic information so you can get a better understanding of what music royalties are and how you can get started collecting. Music royalties are monies collected from copyrights. Copyrights are the exclusive rights given to the originator of a piece of intellectual property, aka your music. If you need a better explanation on what a copyright is, be sure to check out our video on music copyrights so you can get a better understanding on how to register for them. We'll put a link down in the description or a card up above. There are several different ways that royalties are generated, which include streaming and sales. Anytime your music is sold in any format, whether it be digital or physical or streamed, you are due some royalties. Public performances. This includes any time your music is played on the radio, in a bar, in a club, and even live performances. TV and or commercial use. If someone uses your music for commercials, movies, or TV, then you're due some monies, baby. This is done through music licensing. We have some great interviews with experts, Fiora and Alex Calise, about their experience with it, so be sure to hop on over if that's something that you're interested in. Unfortunately, you are unable to collect your own music royalties. There are gatekeepers that you will need to go through. Royalties are tracked and distributed by performance rights organizations. Mechanical royalties, aka streaming royalties, are tracked and distributed by Sound Exchange. Performance rights organizations collect royalties from TV, film, and public performances. There are several different types of performance rights organizations, aka pros. We do have a video up on those, so be sure to check that out if you want some more information on those too. Sound Exchange collects mechanical royalties from streaming services like Spotify, Pandora, and SiriusXM. Sound Exchange is the only organization that I could find that does this service, so if you know of any more, please drop it down in the comments because we want to chat about it. The only way to collect your royalties is by signing up for one of the pros that we mentioned earlier or Sound Exchange. We aren't endorsed by any of these organizations, but we will drop their websites down in the description so you can get started on educating yourself today. I'm Shug Daniels. That's it for the Gable Music Ventures tips and tricks today. Thanks for joining. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe, hit the little bell so you're notified anytime we put up new content. On behalf of Gable Music Ventures, stay safe, take care, and rock on. Then I do a little shimmy for the people.
Girl.
I'm a grown woman. It's not your girl. It's your boss. It's your queen. It's your goddess. What's up, YouTube? Music. Copyrights are the. Hit the little bell so you can make sure you subscribe, not hit subscribe. I want you to subscribe and then hit the bell. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what it is. Can you even believe it? Can you even believe I did it?
Yes, did it.
Gable's Music Ventures. Here we go again. Ooh, girl, I know that's right. I'm Shug Daniels.
Today on the Shug Daniels Show.
All you gotta do is breathe, baby. Thank you. I might need you to do that for the rest of my life, so please. Don't wanna be an American idiot.